Your skin has a microbiome with oils and bacteria that are supposed to live there to keep you healthy and glowing. If you are disturbing that with surfactants and soaps and putting on creams, but they have alcohol in them, you're disturbing that. And so you want to make sure that you give your skin the ability to heal. Breakouts in the face also common during detox. You know, your skin is the last organ to receive nutrition and hydration. So oftentimes detox shows up there first. That's why people get rashes and breakouts during detox is that it's cleared from the skin last. It's kind of a, you know, I think of the skin like your check engine light. You know, it's like, hey, stuff's going on here. But also skin conditions tend to take longer to heal as well because your body's going to nourish everything else first and clear that last. But keeping your water at max, at that full gallon, that tends to help people clear that faster as well. Also, are you using any products on your skin? A lot of people are using soaps and creams that have chemicals and irritants and stuff in them. I recommend that you really let your skin be. Use just olive oil soap. They sell olive oil bar soaps. That's all that's in it. It's just solidified olive oil. And that oil can dissolve all the dirts with the oils on your skin, and then you just rinse it off and pat dry, and then you don't disturb the microbiome of your skin. Your skin has a microbiome with oils and bacteria that are supposed to live there to keep you healthy and glowing. If you are disturbing that with surfactants and soaps and putting on creams, but they have alcohol in them, you're disturbing that. And so you want to make sure that you give your skin the ability to heal. If you wear eye makeup, coconut oil on a pad, take it off that way, and that's all you need to do. And sometimes when people do that, they also have a week or two of increased acne and issues just because their skin's like, wait, where's the oil staying? It's not being washed away. But that's just a way that you can help your skin really heal in a natural way as well.